Hi everyone, Max here from Pushwoosh. Today I'm going to show you what you can do with your free users that you would like to convert into paying customers. In the Audience tab, Events, we have a list of default events. All the default events start with PW, which means Pushwoosh, and they start to work as soon as you embed Pushwoosh into your website or mobile app. Today we're going to use the event Pushwoosh in-app purchase. To create a campaign, we're going to go to Customer Journey Builder and create a campaign. Build from scratch. This campaign is the advanced one because we're going to use two default events. We're going to use trigger-based entry, which means that the campaign starts as soon as the event is triggered. Here, we're going to use the event device registered. It means that all users that download your app will end up in this campaign. Here, we're waiting for a trigger in-app purchase. Let's say we have a 7-day free trial. So here I'm going to wait for 7 days for this in-app purchase event to occur. These users, under the blue arrow, mean users who successfully purchased our subscription. We might want to tag them, for example, subscription status. And we don't need them anymore in this campaign. The most important is this category of users who didn't buy our subscription in 7 days. It's important to understand what kind of channel you want to use: push notification, email, in-app, SMS, WhatsApp. You can also use a webhook to send the data about these customers who didn't buy out to your analytics system and analyze their behavior there. Or in our case, we might want to follow up with an email. For example, to offer them a bonus or a personal code to incentivize them a little bit. We can stop here, or we can go back and toggle on the split flow depending on whether users ignored or opened your email. For example, I decided to wait for 5 days. And if users didn't open my email within this time, maybe I want to send them a WhatsApp message. And if they did, I want to check whether they bought a subscription afterwards. I'm clicking Wait for Trigger again, choosing Pushwoosh in-app purchase, then wait for 2 days. The same way, if a user who opened this email didn't make a purchase in 2 days, I want to send them something else, for example, an SMS. And you can go on with the campaigns like that. You can choose to communicate once a week or more often depending on your industry and your app. And that's it for today. See you next time.